up, YouTube? This your boy Reggie here. Today we're going to be frying a turkey in MASTERBUILT grill inside the house. Frying the turkey. The turkey's about going to be about 12 pounds right here. We're going to do a butterball, 12 pounds. We're going to take it out of this packet and we are going to wash it, clean it, take everything out of the inside, the giblets and everything. And then we're also going to use garlic salt. Lori's garlic salt, gonna be one of my seasoning. I'm also gonna use it with some onion powder. I'm also gonna use granulated garlic. I'm gonna inject it. This is the trick right here. I'm gonna inject it. I'm gonna use this whole bottle and inject that thing with this. Show you how to do it step by step. I'm gonna put a Kinder's rub buttery poultry blend. Just rub. And the secret to color to my turkey is Sazon. All right, I'm taking my turkey. My sink is already clean. We got a lot of people that's concerned about, you're using the sink? Cooking out of your sink? Yeah, we're cooking out of the sink. It's my sink. I washed it out, sanitized it out, and I'm gonna cook out the sink. All right, so let's get that out the way. All right, first we're gonna do, we wanna make sure this turkey is clean. We're gonna make sure it has the insides sticking out of it. You got your neck. And right up in the neck part, all the way up in it, should be tucked another bag. This is nothing but a 12-pound turkey. There's the bag we're looking for. You don't want to cook that in there. Then what I'm going to do now is we're going to give it a quick wash. In some cool water. And get all that ice out of there, blood out of there. Get it out of there. Just rinse, give it a little good rinsing. And if it's got the normal little spout on it, this is it, it's not in there, you take that out, give it a good rinsing, clean it out, get all that blood off of it. And anything like, you know, the old hairs on it, you can pick those off. And what I'm gonna do now, I done rinsed my turkey off, I'm gonna let it dry. All right, be back. Now that I got it out, I'm gonna pat it dry. A good paper towel, not one that's gonna, yeah, paper towel is better. Pat it dry. We'll come back to that. Now I'm gonna come over yonder. And what I'm gonna do now is injection time. I'm gonna shake it up real good because all the stuff is at the bottom. Get all that good stuff from out of it. There you go. Then I'm gonna pour it into a measuring cup. Once the measuring cup is done, I got my injector ready. And hit it all the way to the bottom and put it in, and we're gonna mix it down. We're gonna take a slow pull about, that should be good. See, that's pretty good. Then what I want to do is go ahead, and I want to hit my wings first. Go down in the wing like so. And give a quarter of it. Don't neglect it, the other one. We'll come back to it, go down in the wing like so. Don't go out the other side, just quarter of it. So I swell up. Then we're gonna hit this part of the wing, quarter of it. Just take it all. So a quarter, quarter, quarter. So now we got to do another quarter right here. It's okay to put it in because we're going to use all of this. All of this. Right down there, quarter. Let's hit up at the tip. Because people like that. Chew on the tip. And put it all the way in just a little bit, quarter. See how it's swelling up? We're shooting this thing up like it's a junkie. Half, other side, the rest of it. And I'm gonna hit it up. So now I have a rub here. I'm gonna sprinkle the rub on. Get up under the arms real good. Poultry rub. Then while I sprinkle that rub on, then I got my granulated garlic, aka garlic powder. Got my neck. Then I got my garlic salt. Started accumulating the juice in here, so I'm gonna change pans. Okay. Then I got my onion powder. Rip that mother flour too little too much. So then I'll rub it in. Just give it a nice bath. Yeah, we're good. Rub my leg, arms in it. See how it's turning colors? My wings in it, rather. Get up under the arms. Rub it like you washing the baby. And then this back side of this bird will be done. And I'm going to get another. Okay, I've switched pans to a smaller pan. I put my turkey neck inside right there. And I'm going to continue to now use the entirety of this. So we're going to go right for the leg. Here we go. We're going to give it half. No, we're going to go whole. All right, so that took a hole in the leg. The next leg going to get a whole one because that's some thick meat. We're going to give it a hole. See how it's swelling up? All right. Somebody said, don't forget the thigh. Don't forget the back thigh. Don't forget it. Don't forget it. Because that's some good meat, that dark meat down there. I'm going to shoot that half. Shoot the other one half. Now, we're going to totally give the rest of this dedicated to the breast. Start front, half, back, half, rest of it. Same thing on the other side. And we just got the very last of it. Alright, got the rest of that thigh. I was reminded there's somebody meat down there that they like. Probably got one more, not even on there. Side of the thigh, got it. Got it swell up. So now we done shot this thing up like a junkie. One more. Just pour the rest on top, inside, and I'm gonna hit. There we go. And we're done injecting. All right. Go back to our rub. Nothing wrong with garlic. Never can have too much. And don't forget the thought. We're gonna let this puppy sit overnight. And color. Ain't gonna get me this time, y'all. But this is what the beauty of it comes out. Sprinkle diligently. Now we rub her down. Rub the inside of it. So no white to be on her. She shall be a little color in here. It's all good. We're gonna cook it in there. Now we're gonna let her sit overnight. Cover her up. Let her sit. And we'll be back tomorrow, and she's gonna go in some grease. She's a 12-pound. I'm gonna drop it into this basket, and I got a 12-pound turkey, so it's gonna be 3 minutes per pound. 3 minutes per pound. And we're gonna add a little 4 or 5 more minutes on top of it. Legs gonna go like so. I'm gonna go real slow. No, I'm not. I'm missing my claws. Don't have my claws on me, so I'm going to improvise. We got it on, we're going to cook, we got it on 375. And we're going to cook it for, it's 3:54. We're going to cook it for 4 o'clock. We're going to cook it until 4:35. All right, be back with you. Peace. I come around a lot of times, and I lost my hook, so I'm going to improvise with hands. Be very careful. I'm going to pull her up. Let her sit right there in the grease, and there she is. There she is. All right, remember 3 minutes per pound. After the 3 minutes per pound, give it about 5 more minutes after that, and go from there. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.